My S7 doing his job, rocking it. See if we can get a little video as it goes over the carpet. So you see the little mop things down. Doing this really tight mopping. Not on deep clean, just on normal. See, he'll have to go over this carpet again soon. It's a little damp, like just a light, kind of almost like a Swiffer level of cleaning. I know it scrubs a little bit more now, but oh, I might be low on the water. You can see the tank's kind of empty. This is the last room in a big arc, so this is gonna be a long video. Here it comes. Let's see here. Go right over. You'll hear some of the vacuum kick up. Let's see if you look. Now the mopping is up. So, and that's pretty gosh darn cool. And he'll drop it right when he gets over there and recognizes it, and oh, he may be done. See, mop is down as he finishes that area. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool, and so far he's worked really well.